Say goodbye to the myth that college life is all about struggling and homesickness. It's time to say hello to an extraordinary journey and your second home. Introducing Hartley Road Lenton student accommodation in Nottingham. Nestled in the heart of the lively Lenton neighborhood, this remarkable property offers an array of fully furnished 5-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartments. Stepping into your private bedroom, you're greeted by a cozy bed adorned with soft linen and towels, spacious wardrobe, a thoughtfully designed study station, along with pristine shared bathroom for a worry-free daily routine. And here's how you create a new family. Cook together in the shared kitchen and plan unforgettable movie nights in the communal lounge. But that's not all. You're just a quick 5-minute drive from Nottingham Trent University and a short 20-minute bus ride from the University of Nottingham. And for all the foodies out there, a culinary paradise awaits just across the street. Getting around the city is a breeze with Hartley Road bus stop just a hop, skip, and jump away, connecting you to all the major routes of the city. And for added convenience, there are several tram stops nearby. So, gear up for an exhilarating student life filled with endless possibilities. Don't wait. Book your spot now at amberstudent.com. Your second home and your new family are just a click away.